Hi everybody, my name is Betsy Lafferty and I am a PE teacher at Wyndham Elementary School. I am beginning my 14th year in education. Beyond being a teacher, I am also a coach, and more importantly, I am a wife and mother to 3 kiddos. They are 3rd, 5th, and a freshman, so things here are often pretty busy. There are a couple reasons that I am considering becoming a principal. One is I've had a really great example of a principal at my current school. The culture at Wyndham Elementary is really just fantastic. We all get along, we work together, we have common goals, and although some of us are fairly headstrong, we all really try to do what's right and think about the kids. And that is a large credit to our principal. His motto has always been, do what's best for kids, and he lives that every day. He has really just gone above and beyond, helping all of us to keep that in the forefront, and it's really just had a really large impact on me examining how I make decisions and what is important when I make decisions. While things have to be right for the school and for the teachers, he has just really always pushed having the kids be the most important part in making any type of decision we make, and I just really, really respect that. Also, I've never been one really to shy away from taking the lead or being out in front, and so while I am not sure that I want to become a principal in the next year or two, I think that becoming a principal later on is just maybe a natural progression for my career. I've had the opportunity for a couple different types of supervisory roles in my career. When I was a graduate student at KU, I was fortunate enough to have the experience to be the intramural director. While I was in that role, I took care of the large budget. I evaluated and was in charge of all of the employees and the over 22 sports that we offered. It was really great. I got to learn how to deal with a lot of different kind of people, to see how a large program works and really just kind of understand how to be a leader and to show people really what I expected to try to make the program the best it could be. I also have been an athletic director. If you have ever been in that role, you know that a large part of that is while working with, of course, coaches and the athletes, but also working with parents, working with schedules, and kind of those behind the scene things that if aren't done correctly, things don't go very smooth. I have also outside of school been on our rec commission, helping put things together, sports together, working with parents, both who have been happy and unhappy. So luckily throughout my career, I've had some different experiences to help me get a taste of some of the things a principal may have to do, dealing with people, schedules, and things of that nature. My experience with evaluations has luckily been very positive. While our process is detailed, it has also been pretty laid back in the sense that the mutual respect that my administrator and I have with each other has allowed us to have really open and honest conversations about not only the good things that I have done, but also the ways that I can improve. I never want to be the kind of person who just basically stays the same, gives the same lessons. I also want to grow and understand that I do have to have things pointed out to me that are going to make me better. And one of the reasons that I think I hopefully continue to grow is my principal and I know that we can talk with each other, and I am open to making changes in the way I teach and lead to make our school a better place. I'm just really excited to start this program and looking forward to getting to know all of you and hopefully growing as an educator and more importantly as a leader. Thanks.